and America. Yeah. Stop filming me, it makes me nervous! This is way too hot, I can't do this. I really wanted to, but it's not gonna happen. Are you guys gonna stop playing Mario Kart? I got the microphone, look at me! I got the microphone! Just trying to get comfortable. So where were we? Jesus, right? I'm caught up here. I don't know where to go from here. Alright. I think. My fixed life is like a sea turtle. Parentheses open to interpretation, close parentheses. This hot is too hot. I'm just gonna look at you guys. What did I say? Parentheses open to interpretation, close parentheses?
Yes.
Oh, that's right, yes. What's the next line? I totally forgot. Somebody fill me in.
What?
Jesus? No. Thank God I have this note card. Hold on. Oh, shit. I'll tell you what this note card says right now. It says, genitalia, Jimmy, Jesus, a miracle, unfiltered self-expression, Canada and Colorado. I have no idea what that means. Can I just make noises? Can we just work like that? Alright, it's getting uncomfortable, I know. Alright, so I'll just move on to the next joke. Oh, wait, okay, so, what did I say? I said, my sex life is like a sea turtle, parentheses, open to interpretation, close parentheses. That's a haiku I wrote last night. There it is! Yes! I'm aware it's not 575, but I'm an artist, I'm unconventional, I break the rules. You guys confused yet? If you are, let me make things real simple for you. Slow and steady, baby. Just trying to make you guys uncomfortable as possible. My genitalia has a habit of becoming a little shy during its most glorious moments. You know? I know you all know. You know when you're in the bathroom and the girl's waiting for you and you're like, come on, Jimmy, get it together, we worked hard for this! And that's when I really start believing in Jesus, and then I get down on my knees and I'm like, come on, I know I'm not the best of yours and everything, but I hold doors for people every now and then, I'm fairly kind, I look out for humanity as a whole, I swear! You can help me out here, you turn water into wine. And suddenly a miracle. I can freely come and dare you tonight. Oh Lord! And I've been waiting for this moment all my life! Oh Lord! Kick open the door, right? Stop filming me, I told you it makes me uncomfortable. Kick open the door, it's 2 hours later. Because I've been singing that song in the hallway. And the girl's not there anymore, there's just a note with some tissues and some lotion that says, best of luck to Jimmy in future endeavors. That's how my ex-girlfriend broke up with me. Let's give her a round of applause, shall we? notice how I used the word genitalia back there? That's right, folks. Gender equality. I'm a feminist.
Hey, hell yeah.
That's right. And when I say feminist, I mean I love women. She's laughing. As long as she's laughing, I'm happy. So, as time has gone on, in my come on, I'm not gonna say anything. I just said I never lie. I've always believed in unfiltered self-expression, you know. I've always believed in unfiltered self-expression, and essentially, like, you know, like let people be who they are, let them really express themselves how they see fit. And as time has gone on, I've really opened up myself up to the people around me and been more open publicly as myself. I've found that maybe unfiltered self-expression is not always the best route. Like maybe there's self-restraint is not always a bad idea. For example, I'm sorry, I just noticed the spotlight. Just gonna notice this. But anyway, back to unfiltered self-expression. I was recently in Montreal, you know, Canada, and there, you know, French Canadians. I don't know what it is about Montreal or Canada, but something about foreign countries just makes me feel like I need to do whatever I want to do in these countries. And well, long story short, essentially, running up behind a random woman in the streets and whispering to their ears, "Give me that poontang, baby," is a good way to get yourself arrested. But I think that's all the time for me today. Is that right, Buzz? Wait, can we just clear something up? Why is Buzz short for something?
No.
Absolutely not. It's not. It's just Buzz. You don't come from a family of bees, or?
Evil is my biopic.
Fair enough.